Hello! I wanted to give you guys an update about our BarkBox Super Chewer. So this last box had stuff in it that I thought the dogs really weren't going to enjoy that we were going to have to share with a larger dog. So I wrote to BarkBox and I let them know the situation, that our dogs are small and heavy items are a problem. And let me tell you, their customer service is #1. And what we end up doing is adjusting the future box. So stay tuned for that when we get it later here in May. But they adjusted it so they get a soft toy instead of a hard toy, but the rest of the stuff will be hard. So we'll see what that looks like. And they're super nice because they knew one of the items they probably weren't going to use. And they sent us some mail for the dog. So let me show you what they got. We got Penny the pineapple. This is what's inside Penny the pineapple. So there's soft plush, a spiky ball, and it crinkles. Can you say toy fox terrier and rat terrier and terriers of all kinds that would jump for joy for this? Meet Penny the pineapple. So this is a replacement that they so kindly sent us. And let me give you a, ooh, it squeaks. And it has a very interesting texture because you can feel that the ball on the inside is one of those spiky balls. And our guys love it. And I don't know if you can hear, but these toy foxes are going bonkers. It's a shame because they're going to have to share. But they are jumping for our little pineapple friend. And Norby's normally going to get it, so we'll just give it to him. And he is pumped. And there you go, guys. Penny the pineapple, that might be the last you see of her. Ready? Sit. Excellent. Answer. You gonna bring it back? No, it's too awesome? Down.